Ayan, umangat na naman ang S&P 500 guys. We are again at all-time high sa US stocks guys. And so far, ito na po ang pinakamataas. For the past few days, nagkaroon na all-time high. And here we are again, another all-time high for S&P 500 ETF dahil yan sa US stocks. Guys, no, portfolio update muna tayo for today. Makita mo na tumaas ng 1% itong S&P 500 ETF natin. And dahil malaki na po yung medyo shares na meron tayo sa VOO, no, halos $100 yan per 1% ang galaw. But also at the same time, we have Nvidia, SpaceX, Amazon, Microsoft, no. And hindi po ako nagbebenta kasi unang-una guys, tulad nga ng sinasabi ko, if wala ka pa into US stocks, no, ay normal lang magkaroon ng all-time high ang US stock market, and it happens more than 10 times in a year, no? So, that's why for me, I'm steadily accumulating. Also, at the same time, ay hindi po tayo nagbibenta kasi at the end of the day, guys, ito yung masasabi ko talagang pamana na pwede mong ibigay sa magiging anak mo or sa future magiging apo mo, whatever, no? So, again, I'm very happy, guys, no? For those people then meron namang S&P 500 ETF since few months ago, since nagko-content tayo neto guys, no. And also, assuming na hindi nyo po binebenta yan at nakikinig kayo sa mga videos natin, ay congratulations dahil you are also up by a lot, no. And hindi lang a lot, like talagang mataas guys, no, na masasabi natin if naglagay ka ng considerable amount of money, ay talagang mararamdaman mo na yung profit na tinatawag, no. But that's pretty much it. Masaya tayo for today. Wala tayong need problemahin kasi unang-una guys, no, ito yung stocks talaga na US stocks na kahit tulog ka ay it's working for you, no. These big companies are continuously working for you. So, for those people na syempre gusto matuto about US stocks, alam nyo na kung saan kayo pupunta or paano gagawin nyo. Meron din dyan kung wala pa kayong account sa US stocks. And yun lang po muna, just an update, and see you guys on the next video kasi kaka-open lang.